To add money to your PayPal account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard of your PayPal account, which will look something like this. So to add money to your account, all you need to do is click on the Pay and Get Paid tab at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link just under Wallet. From here, it's going to tell you how much money you may have in your PayPal account, including all of the currencies you may have connected. So to add money to our account, all we need to do is click on the Add Money link next to Transfer. And from here, you just want to select a bank account you want to withdraw money from into your PayPal account. Now, if you don't have one, you will need to click on Add Bank Account. You then just want to enter in your bank details and click on Agree and Link. By connecting a bank account, PayPal will need to make 2 small deposits that's less than £1 or $1 and receive one of them withdrawals. This is to verify the link between your bank account and PayPal account, and this may take a couple of working days. So once you've linked your bank account, you just want to select it from this menu, and then you want to click on Next. Withdrawal amount, so in this case I'm going to select £10 British. It's then going to give you an overview with how much you want to withdraw, and it's also going to give you a fee if there is one. So once you're ready, you want to click on Next. And here it's just going to give you a withdrawal overview, including what bank account you've selected and how much your PayPal balance is, along with any fees. It will also tell you how long it would take for the money to arrive, so in this case it's going to take 3 to 5 working days, depending on your bank. So once you're ready, you want to click on Withdraw Now, and within 3 to 5 working days, the money should end up in your PayPal account. And that is how you add money to your PayPal account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.